What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be going over on what Revolut X is. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm currently on my Revolut X app account. Now Revolut X is just simply a crypto-only trading platform, or just a crypto exchange. So it's a crypto exchange that Revolut parent company made just specifically for trading crypto. And at the moment, at least for Europe, is the crypto exchange that has the lowest fees associated with it. So spot trades are completely free, and other market and future trades have very low fees associated with them. Now, to open a Revolut X account, you would first need to have a Revolut account. And if you guys don't have a Revolut account already, you can use my link from the description below, through which you will get $30 once you sign up, or 30 euros depending on your currency. Now on Revolut X you can trade any cryptocurrency that they have available, which is much more than they have on Revolut. You also have different currency trading pairs, just like on Revolut. But keep in mind that on Revolut, crypto fees are a bit higher for crypto trades than they are on Revolut X. Now, as I mentioned, Revolut X currently has the lowest fees of any exchange in the EU. But essentially what Revolut X is just a crypto exchange that Revolut company launched specifically for crypto trading. Now it is a new product and it's not yet clear in which direction they're moving on. So essentially that's what Revolut X is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.